what's good? My name is Stephanie and today's video is going to be all about the Colourpop Orange Glad palette. I love these little palettes. I actually bought quite a few and I just feel like playing with them, so I'm going to go ahead and share what I create. I don't know yet, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright. Okay, I'm back with my eyes primed. I use Tarte Shape Tape like always. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. I think I'm gonna do something different than what I've ever done on here. It's gonna be dramatic, I have a feeling. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and take, I think I'm gonna take, yeah, Peel Me. That's cute. Which is the darker or darkest orange in here. But I'm just gonna take that. Let's see. I've never done a look like this before, so let's just go for it. I think I'm gonna like wing it out. So let's play with this. And if you haven't noticed already, which you probably haven't because it's not that big of a drastic change, but I actually plucked out the ends of my brows. That's why I don't know if the camera's catching onto it, but yeah. Don't mind my brows right now. They're just, I don't know what to do with them. I really wanted a straighter brow because my brow goes pretty, like naturally it angles down quite a bit, so I really wanted to keep it a little bit straighter because I feel like it restricts me when my brow goes straight down this way. I feel like it was literally coming down right here. It restricts me from doing looks like these, so that's why I haven't really played around with the shape too much. When I would wing things out before, I had to bring it down, so I felt like it was drooping my eye down. You know, when you got brows, you're not happy with them and you wish you had something else, but when you don't have brows, you wish you had brows. So it's like, you can never win. So yeah, just bear with me in my brow process because I feel like they're gonna be changing quite a bit and they look a little crusty in my opinion. But yeah, I'm not used to not having an end brow. Obviously I wake up sometimes and I'm like, whoa, I forgot I didn't have brows. At least on the ends. It's just I have to get used to it. And these are probably not going to be the same shape whatsoever, but it's okay, they don't have to be. So all I'm doing is going in. I kind of tapped it on first, but also blending it out a little bit. Just make sure that color is really concentrated. And don't worry about right here, we're going to clean that up later. I'm going to do like a cut crease situation. And now I'm gonna gradually fade it out. I'm gonna do rice and grind. So now I'm gonna take rice and grind. Why can't I say that? Wow, girl, get your shit together. Rice and grind. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same brush and just slowly start taking this color above it. And once you do that, the color underneath kind of just starts blending out on its own. What should I talk about? I feel like I have so much to talk about, and then as soon as the camera turns on, I freeze up. I'm not used to this yet. Excuse me. I'm filming here. Now I'm gonna take my lovely favorite brush, the Morphe M514 brush. Looks like that. And oh my goodness, girl, get your shit together. Get it together. I'm gonna take Mimosa Mommy. That sounds like me. It should be my name instead of Champagne Papi. I'll be the Mimosa Mommy. Just kidding. I don't even really care for mimosas like that anymore. Anyways, taking that color and I'm gonna start lightly blending this out. And also, side note, you're gonna see that I use a lot of the same brushes. And that's because broke life. Broke life, and it's what works for me. Okay, so looking down, I can see my little pelitos, my little hairs right here going down, and it's really annoying. So sorry if I keep fixing my brows, and I feel like by the end of this freaking video, my brows aren't gonna be there anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna take a clean M433 Morphe brush, and I think I'm just gonna kind of further blend this out. So I'm just gonna take a super detailed brush and take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm gonna take it in the back of my hand, and I'm gonna start creating the shape I want, essentially cutting my crease. I just find it easier with these kind of brushes to go ahead and like make a nice sharp line. Okay, so I created the shape that I want, and I'm actually gonna set this with just like a bone colored shadow because my eyes crease a lot. So I'm gonna just kind of like set it right over here. Okay, so I finished off the other eye, and I have hooded eyes, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but anyways, that's as close as it's gonna get as far as being even. So let's go ahead and move on. I'm kind of just gonna repeat that same step right against my lash line. I'm gonna clean this up, so I'm not gonna worry about being perfect. I ain't got time for that, girl. So I'm gonna take Peel Me on that same brush I've been using, and just kind of like tap it in. I feel like this is gonna be messy. I'm gonna go in with Rise and Grind now, and just place that over top. So I really like these Colourpop little palettes, the little mini ones, because one, they're a friggin' steal. Like, are you kidding me? The price is insane. It's 12 bucks for all these. I'm gonna take Mimosa Mami now. Yeah, it's 12 bucks for all this. Like, what? I'm gonna clean that same pointed brush we've been using. And blending it out. I'm gonna actually go in with a makeup wipe and just clean it up because I don't feel like putting concealer on right now. Like, cleaning it up with concealer, it just seems like a waste of product, honestly. So yeah. Okay, so now that I've cleaned it up, they're not even, but like I said, whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the glitter, which is the color called Clementine. And I'm gonna be careful because I actually used the glitter in the yellow palette, which looks like this. I posted a look on my Instagram using this palette, and yeah, it got in my eye and it did hurt a bit, but I mean, I shouldn't technically be using this for my eye, but I'm going to. So I'm actually gonna take my pinky. Oh, hi. So I'm just gonna take my pinky and I'm just gonna slap this on to the middle of my lid. I'm just gonna tight line and put mascara on, and I'll be back. And put my lashes on possibly. But I'll be back and I'll let you know which ones I used. Okay, so I finished pretty much everything else off of camera. It's just gonna take too long and it's just very repetitive. So all I did was tight line, add mascara, add these lashes, which are by the brand, they're called M lashes. I'll put the name somewhere on the screen so you guys can find it or see it. And the style is called Ojos Tapatíos. Yes. I got these a while ago and I really like them. Like for looks like this, they're very like fluffy and wispy and like not too dramatic, you know, like it wings out, so it's perfect for looks like this that like wing out. That way it's not like covering all the work that you did. And then I just did my complexion, and I also added just like a nude color in my waterline to open it up, because I felt like they needed something. And I'm just gonna go in and smudge out similar colors that I used up top on the bottom lash line. So I will do that now. I'm gonna take Mimosa Mami and apply that into the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take Squeeze Me onto my finger. Let's do my finger first. And I'm just gonna apply that in my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the lips. Also, side note, excuse my hair, it's fading out. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but it's like caca green in real life. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using a lipstick from Suavecita. I love doing that so much. Oh, did I just fail? I just iffed it up. Can you guys see? Fail. Whatever. I'm just gonna kind of put this in the center and like diffuse it. I'm not gonna like go on for harsh. It's just like a very neutral look. A neutral color. See? Oh shit. I literally just effed this lipstick up. Does not have to be perfect because I'm about to go in with a gloss. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, sorry it's all gross because I keep this in my purse. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. It's like a, once again, a neutral like peachy corally shade. I love this gloss, oh my gosh. But that's the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? Would you wear this out? I honestly would wear this out. I can fix with this out and about. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want any other looks from me, just let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I got a few other of the palettes. I have the Honey. I also got Just My Luck. Sorry, these are all gross. They're all dirty already. The green one. I also got the strawberry one. I don't know what happened here. I think I got eyelash glue on it. Ignore that. I got the strawberry shake one as well. The blue moon. And I think that's it. Yeah. So if you guys want to see any other looks, let me know and I will for sure do them. because I really like how this turned out. Like, I'm really happy with it. I did see that they just came out the peach one, which I don't think I'm gonna get because I have too many eyeshadows at this point. Like, just kidding, you can never have too many. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, and if you learned a thing or two, or you just simply enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. All right, bye.